Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on the Chevy Cruze guys, and we'll show you how to remove or replace the dash vent on the passenger side. So stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the shop guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you need to buy any tools or any parts guys to fix your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get things for really good price and fast shipping. So let me explain what we'll be doing here now. We have a 2015 Chevy Cruze, but doesn't matter if you have a 2012 or 15, the whole first generation, it should be covered by that procedure guys. If you come here, you're going to notice, okay, that this is the passenger dash vent we're talking about, okay, this thing right here guys. And let me explain how we're going to remove it now. Sometimes they do break, they don't function, so people will need to replace them. Now, okay, let's just come like that in an angle a little bit down, because I need to get a little bit of light. Now guys, we're going to need a few small screwdrivers. We're going to need panel removal too as well, a couple, and I'll explain, okay, why now guys. Right here, we're going to start with this side. Okay, we have, okay, one clip, okay, that I need to get loose. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to get the panel removal tool right here underneath. Okay, like that. Now we have one on top guys and one on this side, so I need to see which one I will be able to get. Let me see now, because if it hasn't been removed at all, okay, it could be actually pretty tight guys. Okay, I came out on this side. Now I'm going to get a third screwdriver, and right here on top, there is another clip I'm looking at. Let me just get a little bit of light, so hopefully I can explain it a little bit better, okay, where things are, because that clip is far away. So I resituated things a little bit. Okay, now let me explain. It came out, okay, stuck a little bit, foam is coming out now. Let me explain where all the clips are guys. Okay, the clip I'm talking about, okay, it's this clip right here, okay, one clip here and one clip over there. And one way to actually get those loose, let me show you quick, is you can even go from the inside, okay, and grab it with a screwdriver, okay, and pull it, check it out, and move it that way if it doesn't work the other way. So you can see dash vent came out guys. A little bit complicated, but it came in one piece somehow. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.